And we see that it does work for us. How to restore the sharpness of your scissors. This depends on the type of wear they have. Remember that for these tricks to be able to function, the wear should be minimal. But normally they work on most household scissors. When the wear is greater, we must use a device called a grinder. Let's see how this scissor is cutting for us. We will take a single layer and we see that it doesn't cut. It cuts some parts but not others. It bites. We see it bites the fabric. It can be any needle, our sewing machine. We are going to cut the needle for several. Sometimes. And again, let's try on our piece of fabric. And we see that it does work for us. Try it out and down below in the description. Tell me what you thought, and I'll see you in the next video.